Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to be cutting hay. So it's May 29th, Sunday, about 7:30 a.m. and I just woke up. I'm about to go start cutting. So I got my first hay job for the year, and it's about 15 acres we're going to go cut for a neighbor. I got the hay cutter hooked up yesterday and the loader taken off. We're running a 2021 6120E and a 2014 Krone Easy Cut 3200 hay cutter. I changed the blades on it the other day, so I flipped them anyway, so they have nice edges. And so I'm gonna have my cousin with me, and he'll be flying the drone and stuff. Sorry I haven't posted. I haven't really, it's my first hay job of the year, so we haven't been all that busy. And the season's really just now starting. I want to say a huge thank you to Triple R Farms for that shout out. That was way better than I was expecting. And just thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So he's gonna take the UTV. I'll take this. We're gonna start it up, let it warm up for a second. So I got with me today is iPad for guidance. Put that up there. And then this thing, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But it basically gives me a guidance marker. So it tells me where to drive. So I have really straight passes. So I'll put this out on the hood. It's just Bluetooth to my iPad. Kind of straight. And then I have just miscellaneous camera stuff. There he goes. That door. Put down the wheel. Fire this up. Yep, you guys know my password now. Let's see. Alrighty, we're ready to go to the field. I'm gonna start out and say D1. It's about 5 miles away, so we have a little bit of a drive to do, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Alrighty, so we're almost halfway there. I thought I'd change your GoPro mount and do a little walk around. That's good. Make sure we don't have like a flat tire or something bad. Tires are kind of warm. Oh, looking all good under here. So I'll change your GoPro mount and yeah. Well, we have arrived. We're at the field, about to start cutting. First, I'm gonna do a little walk around, make sure everything's good, and open a valve. Good. This hydraulic line are good, detail's good. Tires are good. This valve. I don't see any issues. Friend opened the gate. We'll start cutting. So we're gonna go C1 and first time cutting this year. guess I haven't really explained who I am. My name's Jake Hickey. I'm a, farmer in Northeast Texas, and I do custom hay work for people. And I thought I'd make a YouTube channel to show you guys, what I do. Now my uploads won't be every couple days like most YouTubers, because I'm not always busy. Like, it's kind of like, a side hustle almost, because my dad has a full-time job and we own a ranch, but there's not something to do every single day. And so when I post videos, it's when something's happening. Right now it's the first cutting of the year. I'm cutting a small field for a neighbor with the 6120E and the Krone. I do not have a rake and a baler. I'm trying to get one, but right now I don't. So I cut for people for 13 an acre, and I thought I'd make a YouTube video for you guys. One of the propellers broke off. It's fine, but it's not waterproof, but it's dripping with water. It fell into a creek, which is terrible. So we'll see. Maybe it'll be okay. Okay, so we're chugging along. Field's getting pretty close to being done. And so I wanted to show you guys this auto guide. So this thing pops on the hood. It's Bluetooth. And you can see the green light's on right now. And it tells me to go left or right. I have this iPad over here, Bluetooth to it, and so I have AV lines going up and down the field, and it's telling me where to drive. And so my blocks are all evenly cut, and I have really straight lines. It tells me how fast I'm going, 5.2, how many acres I've covered, and things of that sort. So we're cutting along. I just thought I'd show you guys that. Sorry I haven't posted. I have been busy, but it hasn't been that cool stuff. Like, I mowed the yard a couple times, we fertilized, or we had a guy come spray our fields, and we really haven't done that much. But it's hay season now. I'm cranking, so I'm trying to get some more videos out to you guys. And I got some questions for you guys. I'm sure you have plenty for me, so leave them down in the comments and I'll try to answer as many as I can. But how long of a video do you guys want me to make? I can make a long video or a short video. Like this video will probably be, 6 to 8 minutes maybe. I don't exactly know. And I'd like, what do you want to see? Do you want to see me mow the yard? Or do you just want to see kind of cooler things like this, more important stuff? I mowed the yard with this tractor and a golf course mower, and that might be kind of interesting to some people. I don't know. But let me know what videos you want to see and how much content, how long the video, and comment all your questions. Thank you. Well, that field's done. We're heading home. Heading back. well, that's pretty much it. We're back at the house. Got her all set down, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.